Imagine camping in the heart of wildlife sanctuary even after being warned by numerous people about the lurking danger. Today we are diving headfirst into the thrilling world of spending a night in wildlife sanctuary, unveiling the mystery of Khajji Lake, which is believed to be abode of a serpent god Khajji Nag Devta.
3 महीने तक पंप से पानी निकालते रहे, जितना जितना था सुबह से शाम तक उतना ही रहता था, पानी कम नहीं होता था.
And discovering a hidden garden that will leave you utterly amazed. After an exhilarating journey through our first destination, Chamba, I cycled 25 kilometers uphill to reach Khajjiar, only to find out it is surrounded by a wildlife sanctuary. At the sanctuary entrance, I was sternly advised to traverse the dense forest region before the sunset to avoid potential animal encounters. And believe me, they weren't fake threats. This place has history of bear and other animal encounters. Cycling through the forest, I finally reached the inner part and began scouting for a safe camping spot. Central region was strictly off the limits for camping due to wildlife population, and even the areas around it had witnessed bear sightings.
सर मैं जम्मू से आया हूँ, बाइक पैकिंग करता हूँ. मैं यहाँ पे अपना टेंट लगा सकता हूँ?
आलू बुलू का खतरा है रात को.
हाँ जी.
कई बारी को कईयों को अटैक किया.
After a bit of exploration, I found a spot near a guest house that felt secure enough. So I pitched my tent, but as darkness descended, a sense of foreboding crept over me. Okay guys, so finally the tent has been pitched. This is my sleeping bag. These are my bags. Okay, so nothing more. I'm just gonna sleep. By the way, one thing special I want to tell you. The place where I have pitched my tent in Khajjiar, they recently told me that just 1 kilometer behind is a wildlife sanctuary where live black bears, other animals. So it's kind of spooky, and the weight of this knowledge is slowly being absorbed by me, so kind of spooky, anyways, we'll sleep and wake up early in the morning. Hopefully we don't see any kind of bear or any other animal, because I don't know how to react, man. Look outside, guys. It's completely pitch dark, and in between you just hear some sort of strange voices. Yeah, like that one, like the howls and all those kind of weird voices. So that's pretty spooky. But the best hope is that this resort is behind me, and yeah, I hope just because of this resort and its lighting, nobody comes here. Yep. Gradually, I adapted to the sounds of the night and decided to brew a cup of coffee under the starry sky. When I gazed upwards, I witnessed a beauty so profound that it eclipsed all my earlier anxieties. The pictures you see don't even begin to do the justice to the splendor I beheld that night. With that breathtaking view, I drifted into a peaceful slumber, accepting whatever fate had in store for me. Thankfully, I awoke to a new day, greeted by beauty of this world. Hello. Oh, बच्चे. वो आ रही अंदर 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 का तो आ रहे हैं अंदर 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 नहीं So finally guys, last night was a good one. I won't say it was a very restful sleep because down here the slope is a little bit like you understand what I'm trying to say. Intent you can't sleep properly, but I would say it was a really serene night. I saw stars at night and it was very magical and calm and quiet. So in that way it was good. And today let's go out there, explore Khajjiar, see the beautiful lake down there and just chill. So let's do it. The folks at Gautam guest house kindly provided me access to their staff washroom and served me with warm breakfast. This tranquil guest house offers various accommodations and is like a peaceful hamlet. After a hearty meal, I set out to explore Khajjiar. As you can see, guys, I wasn't just making some stories. There are leopards, there are black bears here, so this comes under wild forest location. Khajjiar, often called the mini Switzerland of Himachal, lives up to its reputation with its picturesque landscapes that rival those of Switzerland. As I roamed, the vibrant energy of place enveloped me. Vendors sold delicious food, rows of horses stood in various hues, photographers with their quirky props. Soon my attention was captivated by the central lake, which is shrouded in mystery and tales. I decided to seek out a local for some answers.
यहाँ नाग देवता का मंदिर है, खज्जी नाग रहता है यहाँ।
अच्छा
तो नाग देवता की वजह से ये खजार नाम पड़ा है। 5,000 फुट तक तो गवर्नमेंट ने भी नापा था इसको, लेकिन तले का कोई पता नहीं अभी तक। फिर जब ये मापने के बाद यहाँ पंप लगाया गया, 3 महीने तक पंप से पानी निकालते रहे। जितना था सुबह से शाम तक उतना ही रहता था, पानी कम नहीं होता था, तो छोड़ दिया।
Following this enlightening conversation, I was advised to visit the Khajjiar temple before exploring the lake. I made my way towards the temple, feeling an unusual serenity enveloping me as temple's architecture took me to the ancient times. Inside, I was encountered by an idol that depicted both the human and the serpent form of the Khajjiar, the deity of the region. After offering my respects and accepting prasad, I headed back towards the lake. Khajjiar's meadows are like a dreamy wonderland where cows graze freely, butterflies perform their graceful ballet, and people buzz around. In the center stands the beautiful Khajji Lake, which, despite its mystique, has an enchanting allure. After knowing all about the history of location, all the mythology and other stuff, this location got more fascinating for me. And the beauty of this lake, it is vivid. Although it's a small lake, but the surroundings, the trees, the mountains, it's beautiful. And what I heard about the history, if it's true, then it's really mesmerizing, guys. It's really mesmerizing. After a satisfying round of sightseeing, it was time for a short hike to a stunning garden that has gained a nice reputation and fame in this region of Khajjiar. Now, being honest, guys, I didn't expect it that I have to go this much downwards into this wilderness and this beauty. I mean, just look around, guys. It's so much beautiful all here. Really, guys, this excursion, whatever you want to say, this hike, it just turned out really good. And let's hope very soon we reach our destination. Hiking along a picturesque trail, I eventually reached the village where this beautiful garden awaited me. Upon the arrival, the garden's owner offered me a warm welcome. The owner of this garden has worked on this garden for 2 decades, and it was in 2019 that this place got a fame in tourism, and people eventually began to arrive here and enjoy the view of this location.
मैं अब यहाँ से बताता हूँ आपको। ये जो है मैंने 4 वैरायटी लगाई है, ठीक है जी। तो इसका नाम है रेड रॉयल।
रेड रॉयल।
रेड रॉयल ये हो गया गोल्डन एप्पल।
गोल्डन
हाँ जी, ये बड़े बड़े निकल गए हैं, छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं।
अच्छा।
तो ये अभी ग्रीन दिख रहा है आपको, बाद में ये पकने पर पीला हो जाता है।
अच्छा अच्छा।
इसलिए इसको गोल्डन एप्पल बोलते हैं।
अच्छा अच्छा।
और इसको शुगर फ्री एप्पल भी बोलते हैं, इसमें शुगर 0 होती है।
ओके ओके।
तो ये है मदर ट्री।
मदर ट्री।
मदर ट्री इसकी विशेषता बताता हूँ आपको ना। ये भी 15 साल की हुई है, और ये भी गार्डन 15 साल का हुआ है।
अच्छा अच्छा।
खुद अपने हाथ से लगाया था। और ये आ गया रेड गाला।
रेड
गाला।
अच्छा रेड।
इसके ऊपर छोटे छोटे डॉट हैं
जी।
ये दिख रहे हैं?
हाँ दिख रहे हैं जी।
तो खाली इसका 19-20 का फ़र्क है, बाकी होते सेम ही है। और ये हो गया सर चक्री एप्पल।
अच्छा।
इसके दाने जो है लंबे लंबे हैं।
हाँ जी।
रेड रोल के लंबे, इसके लंबे, और इसके गोल गोल है ना राउंड में
जी।
तो इसको चक्री एप्पल बोलते हैं। चलो आगे चलो, फिर मैं आपको एप्पल खिलाता हूँ। ये पीने का पानी है, ठीक है?
ठीक है जी।
ये कपड़ा रखा है
जी।
इसको खुरदरा कपड़ा चाहिए। ये देखो।
अच्छा अच्छा सही है।
इसको खा के देखो, इसके जूस कितना है इसके।
हाँ स्वाद भी अलग है इसका।
With this, our Khajjiar adventure comes to an end, but don't forget to hit the subscribe button to witness my journey through bear territory as I cycle to our next destination, Dalhousie, in the upcoming video. You can support this incredible journey through PayPal or UPI. The links are down in the description below. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep exploring and have fun. Take care.